Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when your favorite packaged snack says FSSC 22000 certified or ISO verified? Well, get ready because food safety auditing is getting a makeover. Today we are diving deep into the future of ISO 22003, the backbone of how food audits are structured globally and how it is evolving to tackle modern risk, technologies and consumer expectations. Understanding ISO 22003, the backbone of food audit systems. ISO 22003 doesn't apply directly to food producers. It applies to certification bodies. It lays out the requirements for how audits should be conducted for management systems like ISO 22000 or FSSC 22000. The recent updates have split ISO 22003 into two parts. Part 1 for product and process certification and Part 2 for management systems certification. This reflects how the auditing world is becoming more modular and adaptable to different food safety schemes. Now let's talk about what is causing this shift in food safety auditing. Trend 1. Risk-based audit planning 2.0. Traditionally, audit durations were based on employee count and facility size, but the future is risk-driven auditing. Not all companies will be treated the same. High-risk products like dairy or meat may require more frequent and longer audits, whereas low-risk categories like ambient shelf-stable foods may follow a lighter audit path. ISO 22003 will likely evolve to allow flexible, risk-adjusted audits, potentially using AI and data analytics to determine audit intensity. Trend 2. Integration of technology in audits. Digital transformation is sweeping through food safety. Modern facilities use IoT sensors, real-time temperature tracking, blockchain-based supply chains, and cloud-based quality management systems. ISO 22003 updates will likely emphasize the auditor's ability to assess digital systems, not just physical inspections. This means auditor training will include competencies in IT, cybersecurity, and remote access tools. Digital audit trails, e-records, and real-time dashboards will become standard evidence. Trend 3. New food categories: lab-grown, e-commerce, and sustainability. The food landscape is no longer limited to traditional farming. We are seeing lab-grown meat, insect protein, plant-based alternatives, and direct-to-customer food startups. ISO 22003 will likely expand to cover new food chain categories like L, lab-grown and cellular agriculture, M, sustainable or biodegradable packaging, N, online grocery and cloud kitchen platforms. Each of these has unique audit risk, biological, technological, and logistical, and will require customized audit protocols. Now let's talk about Trend 4, deeper focus on microbiological and allergen safety. With the rise of food sensitiveness and recalls due to cross-contamination, ISO 22003 will push for more microbiological testing in audit scopes. Auditors may be expected to verify lab test protocols, cleaning effectiveness, and allergen segregation procedures. Real-time swab testing or ATP monitoring could become standard. This moves food audits closer to preventive microbiological control rather than just document checking. Now, Trend 5. Enhanced auditor competence requirements. Tomorrow's auditor won't just be a checklist follower. They will be required to have a multidisciplinary knowledge in food science, IT systems, cybersecurity, ethical sourcing, and even crisis management. Auditor certification schemes will evolve. ISO 22003 may define new competencies for remote audit facilitation, blockchain-based traceability, data analytics, ethical labor and environmental claims. Certification bodies will need to invest in training and requalification. Now, Trend 6. Predictive auditing using big data. The future of auditing lies in predictive risk models. ISO 22003 could enable certification bodies to use big data to flag risk before they occur. For example, if a specific region shows rising incidents of salmonella or if past audits reveal recurring non-conformities, a company can be pre-targeted for a more focused review. Predictive auditing would make food safety proactive instead of reactive. The next decade in food safety will be defined by agility, transparency, and technology. ISO 22003 is no longer just a certification standard. It is a living system that adapts to protect global food integrity. As food becomes more digital, decentralized, and dynamic, our audits must evolve too. So, whether you are a business owner, quality manager, or auditor, remember you are not just meeting standards, you are shaping the future of food safety. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.